Now, on our 9th spot, traffic jams greeted motorists along EDSA and other parts of Metro Manila on Monday. This was partly due to unfinished roadworks. The MMDA says they allow repairs during Holy Week, but only until 5 a.m. of Monday. According to the agency, contractors may face a fine of 50,000 pesos. They might also be banned from getting roadwork permits. Authorities say it could take 3 more days to finish the construction work along EDSA. So ito na yung pinag-uusapan natin yesterday pa, that we were greeted talaga ng super heavy traffic. We were on the road from QC to here for 2.5 hours.
2.5. Almost 2.5. Yeah, correct.
Ngayon, medyo okay siya pero may build-up pa rin.
Oo. Hindi, it's still grabe because yung mga roadworks, hindi pa tapos eh.
No,
yung
it would take 3 days.
Ang ginawa nila, tinakpan ng bakal, nakita ko kanina eh. Yung mga potholes yesterday na hukay ng mga telco company na yan, they just covered it with yung metal planks.
Yes.
Ang point nun is, before Holy Week start, may usapan na kayo na pagtapos ng Easter Sunday, tapos na yan. Bakit hanggang ngayon hindi pa natatakpan eh?
Parang the reason there na binigay nila was that parang nagkaroon sila ng lapses or hindi nagkatugma doon sa mga dineliver ng mga semento, etc. Kaya nagkaroon ng delay. Which is, sabi nga ng MMDA, ang usapan is naman,
correct,
dapat 5 a.m. on Monday, tapos na yan.
Oh.
Yun yung pinag-uusapan natin, Wednesday, di ba, na yung roadworks.
So kung may lapses, hindi na problema ng taong bayan. Hindi rin problema ng MMDA.
Exactly. Kaya sabi ng MMDA, meron kayong fine and probably kung ganyan kayo makipag-usap sa amin, hindi na namin kayo mabigyan ng permit.
Yung Monday pa lang.
Plus nung Monday, yung nakita natin, dinaanan natin, ano yun eh, nagagalit din sila MMDA Chairman Amado Artes, na sinasabi niya na bakit nandoon lang nakaganon ni walang traffic enforcer, walang nagsabi sa kanila na iiwan nyo ng ganon ng nakatiwang mo.
Hindi, tsaka yung Monday pa lang, as kanina, yung I was saying yesterday, ang daming reports na mga nalilate sa work by 30 minutes to an hour.
Yeah.
Ngayon, when you compute that kasi, may economic impact yan.
Yes.
Kunya, isipin mo na, 300,000 people were all late for an hour of work because of traffic. Ngayon, yung corresponding, some of them kasi mid-level workers, may mga deductions. And if an economist was saying, if you compute that for 300,000 and that 1 hour deduction, yung spending power na mawawala, ang laki, di ba? So, paano yung mga instances na ganyan? Is 50,000 fine sufficient enough sa isang contractor? Kasi kung ikaw contractor, di ba? Magpapa-fine na lang ako ng 50,000 kasi maliit lang naman eh. Kaysa pilitin ko ang isang delivery na mas mahal.
Parang kanina may naririnig pa ako, additional 20,000 doon sa maling paghukay, etc.
They should have bigger fines para matakot talaga ang mga contractor.
At tumupad sa usapan.
At tumupad sa usapan.